I use sesame in my baking all the time, and I thought of doing this sesame cookie recipe with you all. For this recipe I'm using 125 grams self-raising flour with 90 grams butter, 150 grams brown sugar, a drop of vanilla, and 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 2 eggs, and 250 grams sesame seeds roasted. So let's start doing the recipe. Into the mixing bowl with the paddle attachment, add the brown sugar and the butter and mix this about 1 to 2 minutes. After, squeeze the lemon into the sugar and then again mix it once it gets mixed up. Next, add the eggs one by one and add the vanilla too. Once it is ready, lower the speed and add the flour. Next, add the sesame seed. Make sure to roast the sesame seeds until golden brown. With this recipe, sometimes you will find that the mixture is wet, so you can add a bit more flour without a problem for this. So take it out. After, take a scoop and get a scoop full of mix and put it on a baking sheet. And then just press it using your fingers and bake this on 180 about 10 to 15 minutes. The sesame cookies are ready, and when you bake this, make sure to keep that on a wire rack to cool down completely so it goes hard. So it's a really nice crunchy cookie that you can try with a nice cup of coffee or tea. To get the recipe, visit culinarycorner.net, and thank you.